Hi, I'm Randi Carpenter and I'm a Navigator with the Wyoming Air National Guard. I'm also your Mrs. Wyoming American 2020. I'm a resident of Cheyenne, Wyoming. I'm a mother of 5 children, wife, and we absolutely love Cheyenne, Wyoming. And the reason we do is because it has a big town atmosphere with lots to do, but yet it still has a small town feel where people know you, they watch out for you, they keep track of my children, and they let me know when they're up to things. And it just is awesome to know that there's people watching out and that it's still a family environment. We also love the fact that we can go an hour south and be in Denver, Colorado and have that big city atmosphere and culture and have lots to do, or we can go to the north or west and be away from everyone and enjoy the environment and enjoy the outdoors. It's an awesome place to live that just offers everything you could think of as far as the outdoor and the culture side of the world. It really truly has the best of both worlds.